Day 6. Let's go. Brother needs to poop. Good morning! It's 8:11 and we are on our way to our next destination. We have about 3-hour drive to the Glacier point. Say goodbye to the beach! Say goodbye to the beach.
Bye.
Bye beach! It's 9:25. We just made a grocery store stop. 10:52. We have an hour left of the drive. It's so rainy, it's so wet. I'm gonna try and take a nap. Okay, it's 11:54. We just reached the Franz Josef Glacier walk start. It's raining and it's so cold. I'm gonna unchange to rechange. I'm gonna get soaking wet. Anyone got an umbrella?
Umbrella.
Okay, listen, I don't know what to do. If I get more layers and then I get soaking wet, it's gonna be uncomfortable. My raincoat, it does not go up to my ankles.
Nobody wears raincoat up to ankles.
I wish I had one. Pattern that raincoat. These tights are staying in the car.
I'm kind of thinking about wearing shorts.
You're fucking...
wear shorts with a thermal under.
I can't imagine wearing thermal and sweatpants, but that's the only thing I have right now. Y'all will spot me from 10 kilometers away with these two colors. I'm not color coordinator anymore since I lost my pink beanie, guys. I'm so sad.
But yeah, saw not. This one's supposed to be better.
No, it's the same. Don't worry.
No, mine.
This is the same.
What?
I'm gonna pee myself.
Stop treating me like an invalid.
Can I pee out of the car right now?
Okay, hot chocolate please.
Let's go.
Wait.
Let's go mock the rain.
Roll out.
I should have hair.
All the balls roll out.
The hair, the shower cap supposed to do over your shirt.
No.
Come on, let me
It's 12:30, start of hike. I've done trails in the snow. I've done trails under the sun. I've done trails in the rocks. And I've done trails in the sand, but I've never done trails in the freaking rain. Troop out, troop out. Troop out. Let's go, go, go. I know we just started, but I feel pretty good. My upper body's gonna be completely dry. Can't say the same about my legs, but it's gonna be supposedly an hour 30 round trip. I'm also screaming because I don't know if you guys can hear me, and also I'm all muffled up. This is fun. I'll check again in an hour and see if it is still fun, but it's fun right now. You look like Among Us. It's like Among Us. Look at that waterfall. My mom said that whenever it rains, the people in New Zealand say the waterfalls are beautiful.
Y'all have data?
Okay. It's 1:29. We're on our way to a lake walk. But it doesn't help. It's 2:04. Where's the next stop? Gearing up. As you guys saw, it was crazy outside. So we're abandoning this trail and going to our accommodation. The wind is actually flying at a 90-degree angle. It's flying like this way.
The rain is 16. Highlanded.
It's 3:26. We just reached our accommodation and it's so pretty. I'm trying to dry our stuff over here. Dude, you're blocking the AC. Guys, I'm low-key glad that we ditched that hike because it was an hour-and-a-half round trip, but look at the freaking weather, bro. No. Let's try and get this hot water going. Oh yeah, she's steamy now.
Bread and tea.
We're gonna go for dinner. Outfit change. This was supposed to be the fit, but my brother's wearing pants, so I'm gonna wear pants. Okay, that's better. It's 6:44. We're here at dinner. Let's go eat. Fuel up for tomorrow's 8-hour hike. I got ribs, of course. Itadakimasu. You full?
I have roast.
What the?
Cheers. For tomorrow's.
Making sandwiches for tomorrow. I'm on cheese duty. Brother's on eggs duty.
Oh wait, oh. Yes. Can I share it?
You guys need to see this bowl of eggs that my brother made. 2 massive bowls of eggs to make sandwiches for tomorrow's hike. How many eggs, Mom? 20 eggs? 20? 20 eggs. 10:50 right now. We have to go to bed right now because we have to be up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. We're doing an 8-hour hike and we want to be done before the rain comes in, which is 2 p.m. So the hike will be from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Hopefully. That's the plan. And it's like 11 right now, so I'm really scared to wake up, but I'd rather wake up at 5 a.m. than walk in the rain again. That was awful. If you stay till this point, comment, "Good luck waking up tomorrow, girl." Or, bonus, 2 comments, "Good luck for that 8-hour hike, girl." Yeah. Good night!